Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just wanted to show you everything I got of my Lucky bag from Beautylish. If you guys already watched my video, you'll know that I'm on a no buy year. So obviously I purchased this right before there's a plane going by. I purchased this right before I started my no buy year. I believe this was available the day after Christmas. It took them a whole month to ship. So that's what we're doing here. I watched few videos, about like 10 videos of people unboxing their Beautylish bags or Lucky bag, and I was kind of disappointed by what people were receiving. This is my first one, and I did have high expectation. Like, this was $85 if you put the shipping cost together. I really didn't want what people were getting, and I probably would have made this video if I had gotten the same box they did, but somehow I didn't receive the same thing they did. This is not like an extra lucky bag, but I feel pretty lucky with everything just because it was different than the videos that I watched. I don't know if it has anything to do with like your skin tone choices. Most of the videos that I watched were like fair to light skin tone, and mine obviously is, I don't know, tan to deep maybe, or just deep skin. So maybe that's the reason why it's different, but let me just show you everything. I already opened everything and looked through it. At first when I saw this, I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna get the your lip thingy that I did not want. But no, it's just paper. It came in a little bundle like this, and I was like, okay, this is pretty light and basically feels like nothing, but I am really happy with everything I got. I have the Beautylish website open so I can not Google, but like search the prices for everything. Let me just start by showing you the coming soon product that nobody knows how much it is, but it is from Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, and this is supposed to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I am excited about this. I don't know how much it costs. Some people said that it's compared to the ordinary, so it might be super affordable, like $5 to $20. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's super nice, thick glass. I mean, just by looking at it and feeling it, I feel like it would be around $15, but I don't know, I guess everybody will have to wait until they are available and just find out how much they are. I wish they will include like something that tells you when it's coming. Like, I know it's coming soon, but like when. I am really happy to try that one. Next thing I got is this all-in-one moisturizer from the brand Mr. Reliable. On the Beautylish website says a lightweight, well-rounded moisturizer for one-step hydration. Obviously, I love skincare, and I wish this would have SPF because I ran out of mine and I don't want to buy another one. But this is how the bottle looks like. It's super lightweight. The packaging looks like those e.l.f. primers. There's like a bottle inside a bottle type thing, but yeah, it has a pump, and let me see if it has a weird smell. It is very lightweight. This is how the consistency looks like. It doesn't have like a specific smell. It smells fresh and nice, and this is gonna be perfect because I have oily skin. It does soak into your skin, but you can still feel it, so that's nice because I like to feel like my skin is moisturized, not just like I put nothing and it just disappears on my face. Pretty nice. Okay, the next thing I got is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and I'm not a fan of this type of products, but that's just me. It has a value of $28, and I got the shade Soleil, and this is how it looks like. It is kind of like a rose gold. There's a swatch. It is really beautiful. It's not for me. I will probably give that away to somebody. The next thing was a Wayne Goss brush, and this is the number 10. I'm sorry, the number 19. And I'm guessing it's just a paper blending brush. It feels super soft and I am super excited. This is the main thing I wanted, like a Wayne Ghost brush was the reason why I purchased the Lucky bag, hoping that I would get one, and I did, and I'm so happy. And that little brush retailed for $23, which is an amazing price. I would probably purchase that myself. Next thing is a hybrid lipstick by the brand by Terry, and this retails for $32, and it says the bold color of a lipstick and the comfort of a balm, and the precision of a pencil in one click. This is the shade Chocolatey. I guess you just click it. Ooh, this is beautiful. And that's how that color looks like. And this is definitely a shade that I will use, so I am excited about that. And this is a pretty expensive lipstick that just feels like a lip balm, but that color is beautiful. Last thing I got, it was Natasha Denona palette. And this retails for $48. This is a 5-pan palette. And I was so excited that I didn't get the camel palette because in my opinion, that palette is so boring. I feel like I'm struggling to open this. I feel like for my skin tone, it's just gonna disappear. I am so happy I got this one. Like, these colors are my colors. Let's see some swatches because a lot of people have mixed opinions, I guess, about Natasha Denona, and I have never even touched one, so I'm excited. You guys, this is so beautiful. That one is alright. The shimmer colors are to die for. My swatches are not the best, so this is how the swatches look like. As you can see, the mattes are kind of funky, honestly. ColourPop has a lot better pigmentation, and like ColourPop goes on more evenly than this one, but the shimmer shades, I have never touched something like those. Those are high quality shimmers. Everything that is in here is something that if I was not on my not by ear, I would probably buy. The shade of the lipstick, that's totally something I will use. It's just a brown shade. Probably not a Cover FX thing, but everything else is like I chose it. And that is everything I got. And the value for everything came up to $166 without counting this. Let's say it's 15, so it goes up to $181. Regardless, I am so happy for everything I got, and I'm so glad I purchased. So if you guys were able to get it too, let me know what you got, and let me know if you picked the fair to light skin tone or the, I guess, deep or tend to deep skin tone. Probably that makes a difference. 5 out of 6 of this product I will use, so that's pretty dang good. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.